everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. Today I'll review two products. Both of them are nail polish removers. Now I'm really fond of nail polishes. If you are following me, if you are following my channel, my videos, you must have noticed that there is hardly any video where I do not have nail polish. And I have a habit of moving my hands too much while talking. So today I'll review two nail polish removers. Both of them are really fantastic. They are acetone free. They are from renowned brands. Now guys, you must be wondering why five colors and five fingers. I thought I'll just wear something Holi special kind of thing. Yesterday we celebrated Holi, and I have uploaded one video also. If you want, you can just check it out. And that's why this kind of nail polish, five colors and five fingers. Now this one was yellow, but after we finished Holi, I kind of noticed that this has become something else. This is not yellow anymore. So I thought, okay, since I have to remove them anyways, I thought I'll just review my nail polish removers. And yes, I'll just show you the product. This is the one. This is from Urban Color Modi Care, acetone free, guys. And this is the other one. This is from Color Bar, and Color Bar, like, it's quite a known brand. I think this is American brand. Both of them are 110 ml. Now guys, if you just take a look at the ingredients, you can just take a screenshot, go through the ingredients. In both the products, ingredients or listed ingredients are almost same. There are some hidden ingredients as well, so to know about them you can do a Google search. And if you want to know about these ingredients as well, you can also do a Google search. The main point is these two are acetone free. And if I kind of start reading the name of the ingredients, you might find it little boring, because the ingredients name are chemical names. They're difficult to read. I'll definitely mumble. That's the reason I'm not reading them. If you want, you can just take a screenshot, and you will just get to know about the ingredients. But once again, yes, they are acetone free. I'll just quickly show you how they work. There is nothing much to talk about how a nail polish remover works. We all know you have to take a dry cotton pad, never wet the cotton pad with water, and just take couple of drops like this, remove. I am using this one, Urban Color Modi Care. Now guys, if you just look at the packaging, both the products look alike. They look like twins, right? They're exactly similar. However, there are slightly there are couple of things which I wanted to talk about today. See, this is how it clean my nail. It's completely clean. So Modi Care Urban Color nail polish remover is actually a fantastic product. If you are looking for a nail polish remover which is mild on your nails and you can perhaps use it frequently, then you can definitely pick up this one. And yes, look at my nail, guys, it's clean. I'll use the Color Bar nail polish remover on the other finger. And Color Bar nail polish remover is another magical product. This also does not have acetone. It's really gentle on your nails. Now Color Bar nail polish remover has lanolin oil, and Modi Care Urban Color nail polish remover has jojoba oil. Other ingredients, guys, they are almost similar. Once you take a look, you can understand. And like I just said, both are 110 ml. And this is how, guys, my Color Bar nail polish remover worked. This is little fast, I would say. Done, guys. Now the biggest difference is Color Bar nail polish remover is 125 rupees, 125 INR, okay, and you can keep it for 3 years. This one was manufactured in 920, and I can keep it till 823, okay. And once again, 125 rupees. And if you are buying it from online shopping portals, you will get it with a good discount, at least 10% or more. And now comes Modi Care Urban Color. This one is 198 rupees, guys, almost 200 rupees. Now if you are a Modi Care consultant, you will get it with a good discount. However, still the price will not match this one. You can keep this one for I don't know where it is written, at least for 2 years, I guess. I don't see it. Sorry guys, I don't see it. I can see the manufacturing date only, which is 320. So if I find it out, I'll put it in the description box. You can find it out from there. But guys, the main point is the products are same, the quality is awesome. These two products are really friendly. They do not have acetone. If you are using a product which has acetone, that will definitely be harsh on your nails, and you will end up breaking your nails frequently. Obviously you don't want that. So if your nails are not so steady, not so strong, like my nails are not very strong, I have a tendency of breaking them. I don't do anything to break them, but it happens because yes, obviously I do some household work, and if I am using water for a long time, I just see that my nails are kind of breaking. So if you want to avoid these kind of things, then do use a nail polish remover which does not have acetone. Now these two products are really good because they do not have acetone. They are acetone free. They have these two oils. Modicare one has jojoba oil, Color Bar one has lanolin oil. So they will definitely nourish your nails and they'll remove it quite quickly, guys. Product wise, they are same. They look alike, exactly alike, like twins. However, there is a big difference in price. Urban Color nail polish remover is almost double the price of Color Bar nail polish remover. So only from that point of view, I give this one a thumbs up, but this one obviously a thumbs down, because why would a customer pay so much for if you are getting a product of same quality at half price? If you are a Modicare consultant, yes, you are getting it with a discount, but again, if you are buying this product from any online shopping portal, you get at least 10% discount or more. I am a Modicare consultant, so I'm not happy to say that okay, this product is not so good in terms of the pricing, but that is the fact, guys. I'm sorry, but yes, that is true. This is a costly product, and you get a exactly similar kind of a product, this one with almost half the price, guys. Decision is yours, choice is yours. I have used these two products in front of you without pausing my video, guys, so you have understood how they work. They work also exactly the same way. Ingredients are also same. Okay guys, so if you have any other question about any of these two products, put in the comment section, I'll answer them. And if you want any other product review, be it from Modicare or from any other brand, do also put it in the comment section. I'll take care of that, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you take care, be happy, keep smiling, and keep watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and share my videos with your friends and family members. So keep smiling. I'll see you in my next video once again. Till then, bye bye.